firm or the contractor who have fulfilled all the criteria.
The Governor's Cup Golf Club Tournament 2024 was inaugurated at Golf Links today, with 102 players from Delhi, Mizoram, Manipur, Nagaland, Assam and Meghalaya participating. Organised by the Shillong Club Limited in collaboration with Shillong Golfers Association and IIM Shillong, the event was officially opened by Meghalaya Governor C.H. Vijay Shankar, accompanied by Cabinet Minister A.L. Heck and other dignitaries. Speaking to DD News, Atul Kulkarni, board member of IIM Shillong, emphasized the tournament's role in promoting work-life balance by bringing together corporate leaders and local golfers.
This has been an endeavor of IIM Shillong to invite the corporate leaders from across the country to join the Business Leadership Summit and, as they say, the work-life balance. So beautiful weather here in Shillong and the wonderful golf course that we have gives them a very, very different experience. So this is a golf tournament which is called Governor's Cup. And we have the local golfers from Northeast region and the corporate leaders coming from different parts of the world and different